And welcome to LearnTech with Shreja. Today we'll be doing a session on MySQL HackerRank solutions for questions 1 to 10. Let's start the session, HackerRank solutions. The first question is, query all columns for all American cities in the city table with population larger than 1 lakh. The country code for America is USA. The table is given below. We have the fields as ID, name, country code, district, population. As answer, select star from city where country code equal to within single quotes USA and population greater than 1 lakh semicolon. Here star stands for all the data from the city table where country code equal to USA, which should match with USA, and population greater than 1 lakh. The second question is, query the name field for all American cities in the city table with population larger than 1,20,000. The country code for America is USA. So here the answer comes like this. Select name. We want the name field only from the city table, not all the fields. If it is all the fields, you give star. If it is only name field, you take only that particular field name. So select name from city where country code equal to within single quotes USA and population greater than 1,20,000 semicolon. Query is, query all columns for every row in the city table. That means all the data in the city table. So here the same answer comes as select star from city semicolon. Star stands for all the fields and rows in the table. The next query is, query all columns for a city in a city table with ID is equal to 1661. So we are going to select only a particular ID. We are going to query, we are going to list out all the data of city table where ID equal to 1661. So just see the answer. Select star from city where ID equal to 1661 semicolon. Here ID is equal to 1661. You should not give 1661 within single quotes or double quotes because it's a numeric value. Go to the fifth query. Query all attributes of every Japanese city in the city table. The country code for Japan is JPN. So here is a query. Select star from city. That means all the attributes from city where country code equal to within quotes JPN, caps, semicolon. So this lists out all the cities where country code equal to JPN. The next question is, query a list of city and state from station table. Is station table where the fields are ID, city, state, latitude and longitude. So the query is, query a list of city and state from station table. Here the answer is, select city, state from station, semicolon. Seventh query is, query a list of city names from station for cities that have an even ID number. Here what we are going to list out, like if at all you have 1, 2, 3, 4 as the ID numbers, we need 2, 4, 6, 8 as these should be listed. So here is the query. Select distinct city from station where mod of station, ID, 2 equal to 0. Why do we take this mod? Mod function will return the remainder. Okay, any number ID divided by 2 and the remainder is 0 is an even ID. Okay. The next question is, find the difference between the total number of city entries in the table and the number of distinct city entries in the table. So what we need is the difference between the total number of city entries in the table. So the function is count city. So here is the query. Select within open bracket count city minus count distinct city from station. So here we want the difference between the total number of city entries and the number of distinct city entries in the table. Here is the solution. The next query, ninth query is query the two cities in station with the shortest and the longest city names as well as their respective lengths. So the query is like this. Select city, comma, length of city from station, order by length city ascending, comma, city limit 1. The next one is select city, comma, length city from station, order by length of city descending, comma, city limit 1. City limit is limit 1 means we have to start with the first row. Here's the 10th query. Query the list of city names starting with vowels A, E, I, O, U from station table. Your result cannot contain duplicates. Here is the query. Select distinct city from station where substring city, comma, 1, comma, 1 in A, E, I, O, U, semicolon. This completes session 1 of HackerRank questions 1 to 10. The next 10 questions I'll be giving in the second session HackerRank 2. Thank you.